So this week also Android 12 beta 4 was released, and this beta is a very important milestone in the development of Android 12. It has hit the platform milestone. So no new features will be added after this, but Google is going to polish these betas as they come. I think we are going to have another one or another two before the final release. One of the new feature in this beta is that the version of TalkBack changed to version 12 straight away. So there's no TalkBack 9.1 or 9.2. It's straight away gone to 12. But there are some bugs in this beta. If you are dictating a voice message using Gboard, it will say speak now, listening, and the dictation of the text that it says speak now, listening will be picked up by the dictation and will be entered there. So if you're speaking your message, it won't say anything. But the minute you be silent, it will start speak now, listening. Also, another bug that I have found is that TalkBack likes to now attach the term image to everything. It'll say something like navigation bar, image button back, image button home. So everything is an image. If you want to temporarily disable this, you can go into settings, verbosity, and turn off speak element type. But another problem with that is it won't tell you if it's a button or if it's a link or if it's an edit box. So that is a major problem, but it will also not tell you whether it's an image every time you navigate to a button. So what is your thoughts about Android 12?
That's right, Android 12. So we had the beta 4 dropped in on us. And, in reality, it's all about polishing things and all of that. No new things were introduced or anything of the sort. However, for those of us in blind world, we got a couple of things that I think are of importance. And one has to do with the focus. In other words, the highlighter that focus when you're focused on something, you could change what color you want. It used to be that good old green stuff that goes around like a rectangular thing around whatever that is in focus. You have that green thing. Now you could choose what color you want and the thickness and all of that. And then also there's something called windows. In other words, you can add that to your the global menu so you can go through the granularities, and once you set it on the windows, you should be able to hear what's going on. So let me quickly demonstrate what all that is about.
Pixel lock.
So I'm going to start with the windows.
Access. Spoken language. Speech rate. Windows.
So now I'm on that windows. So the whole idea is that, so I'm on my home screen, but if I swipe down or up with one
Western
finger,
Union. System UI. Wi-Fi signal full.
you see it's now places me in my like my notification area, where the time and all of that, so I can
Pick musical.
you know
System UI. Wi-Fi signal full.
so I can swipe left or right.
Phone 3 bars. Battery 86%. Phone 3. Wi-Fi 6. Amazon shopping notification. Arrived. Wood notification.
Oh, I got something arriving.
Amazon shopping notification. Arriving today.
Ah,
Messages notification.
something good coming to my home. So that's what the Windows thing is. So the whole idea is to give you easy access of jumping straight to your notification area. So you don't have to move your finger up there, try to find what's in there. Once you're in there, you can just swipe left or right through the different items in there. Now, with respect to the other one that I was talking about, that one is found it's called the customized focus indicator. And when you tab here,
Customize focus indicator. Navigate up. Image. Out of list. Customize focus indicator.
okay.
color, heading, and list.
So the whole idea is you want to choose what color it is that goes around what is highlighted. Like if you're on your home screen and you're moving your finger around and something gets highlighted. And I find this to be something that is going to be very useful to people that have usable vision. It easily makes it easier to see what you're looking for once it's highlighted.
Radio button selected, default.
For everyone who's had Samsung devices in the past and made use of the Samsung voice assistant, this won't be anything new for them because it comes actually directly from the voice assistant. So I think this is one of the many features for TalkBack that is being part of the partnership between Samsung and Google.
And it's a really good thing because, like I said, it's very useful to people who still have usable vision. And what I like about it, though, is that you can actually even choose how thick it is that you want the highlighter to be.
Thick borders, switch on.
So see, I got the thick borders on, or you could turn them off. And the colors.
Radio button not selected, red.
You've got red.
Radio button not selected, orange. Radio button not selected, yellow. Radio button not selected, green. Radio button not selected, blue. Radio button not selected, gray.
Or the first one would be your default.
Radio button not selected, red. Radio button selected, default.
And that default would be that, it's going to be something that just goes with whatever wallpaper that you have on your phone. So it's up to you. And I think this is a very good feature for people who have some vision. So I like that. So thanks to Samsung, this is one of the things that we have as a merger between Google and Samsung in some aspects that we're reaping the benefit of.
Now, does that feature have the Material U built into it, or is it just keeping the default green cursor?
No, I keep mine on default, and what that does is that it adapts to whatever wallpaper I have going on.
Okay, so it does have Material U implemented.
It does have awesome. Material U, yes.
That is awesome.
So you could choose that default. That means whatever theming you have going on your phone, that's what it's going to adapt to.
Okay, that is legitimately awesome.
Yeah.